In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your LinkedIn profile link. If you ever need to send your LinkedIn profile to a recruiter, client, coworker, or potential connection, the easiest way to do it is by copying the direct link from your profile page. This method is quick, reliable, and works well. Whether you're sharing it in an email, a message, a resume, or any other document. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your profile. Make sure you are on your own profile page, not someone else's. You'll typically do this by clicking your profile picture or your name from the LinkedIn homepage, which will take you directly to your personal profile. Once you're there, take a moment to confirm that the page showing on screen is the profile you want to share. This is important, especially if you manage more than one account or if you were recently viewing another person's page. After your profile is open, move to your browser's address bar at the top of the screen. This is where the web address for your current page appears. Since you are already on your LinkedIn profile, that address is the direct link people can use to visit your profile. Now highlight the full URL in the address bar and copy it. On most computers, you can do this by clicking once in the address bar and then using your keyboard shortcut to copy. You can also right-click and choose copy if you prefer. The goal is simply to copy the complete profile link exactly as it appears in the browser. Once copied, your LinkedIn profile link is ready to share. You can paste it anywhere you need, such as in a message, an application form, or your email signature. If you want to be extra careful, it's a good idea to paste the link into a note or message first and quickly check that it looks complete before sending it. One helpful tip is to make sure you are sharing the clean profile URL from your actual profile page, rather than a search result or another temporary page on LinkedIn. That helps ensure the person receiving the link lands in the right place immediately. And that's it. By opening your LinkedIn profile and copying the URL from the browser's address bar, you can share your profile quickly and accurately whenever you need to.